Love does not claim possession, but gives freedom. Do not say, "It is morning," and dismiss it with the name of yesterday. See it for the first time as a newborn child that has no name. We gain freedom when we have paid the full price. Death is not extinguishing the light, it is only putting out the lamp because the dawn has come. Everything comes to us that belongs to us if we create the capacity to receive it. Beauty is truth's smile when she beholds her own face in a perfect mirror. Faith is the bird that feels the light when the dawn is still dark. Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add color to my sunset sky.